Today would have been a hectic day for me, but thanks to AI integration in Excel, I compiled this quarterly incentive sheet of the entire company in less than 15 minutes. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. With AI and ChatGPT in Excel, you can analyze large datasets faster, automate repetitive tasks, perform advanced calculations, and generate key trends and insight for crucial decision making in less than 2 minutes. Exciting, isn't it? And now you can also learn this and so much more in just 3 hours when you register for the AI and ChatGPT in Excel workshop by B10X.
Hi, I'm Aditya Goenka, graduate from IIT Kharagpur, and I have built multiple 8-figure startups like B10X, Mad About Sports and Money EdTech. I'm here to guide you in my 3 hours workshop on how to use AI tools in Microsoft Excel and say bye-bye to complicated Excel formulas. Also, you will get bonuses worth Rs 10,500 if you register within the next few minutes at just Rs 9. So click on the button somewhere around this video and sign up now. See you inside the workshop.